How you guys doing? It's Poke Punch. We ended up getting this 2 booster box bundle. It has the Silver Tempest, and it says a V or a GX card. Man, if we get a GX, you know what it is. I just wanted to see what packs are in there. I mean, it's $10, so it can't be nothing too bad. We'll turn this, and we got a Bolton, a 5-star promo, and a Silver Tempest, and a Pokemon Go. We'll start with the Silver Tempest. Not a bad pack. You know, you have a lot of opportunity with these. So hopefully we get a nice little hit. Got that good old green code card. 4 from the back. Breakson, Donphan, Furiso Girl, Krogunk. Oh, we got something, guys. Solosis. We got the Zubat, Elgin, Fungus, Meowstic Reverse, and oh, I do not have that card, guys. We got the whole OV. So already 2 nice pulls. Can't beat that. And then we'll go with the Pokemon Go as the final pack. Always a nice pull ratio, I think, for these. They got a lot of good cards in this set. Got that code card for you guys. I feel like these cards, they feel a little frayed. Oh, did I just fuck that one up? Yep. So we start off with the Zapdos. Sorry about that, guys. Lunatone, Chansey, Ivysaur, Eevee, Numel, Raticate, Tranquil, Larvitar. Oh, okay. So we actually got 2 hits on that. That might have been a. Let me see that pack. Ivysaur. All we needed was the Bulbasaur. Well, we got some good cards today, guys. Zapdos, Ho-Oh, Venusaur, and the Bolton. Y'all have a good one.